Oh, hey guys, so today, it's not sunny out, by the way. It looks like it's sunny out. It's so sunny. So, last night I tweeted out that we had a tornado touchdown near our house. There was a tornado. And tornado season is over. It's like the frig. We knew it was odd that it was warmer out than usual, so we were under a thunderstorm watch when I woke up. So we moved beds around. Lou has the bunk bed now. Lou is my sister, by the way.
I'm behind her.
Yeah, she's behind the camera. Well, computer, but. So Lou has the bunk bed, and I have a regular bed. And so, I was going to say something. Oh, no! Go! Don't eat that! That's Mom's.
Tastes like pizza. Tastes like pizza.
Okay, so,
Same with Barbies. I didn't show them.
I'm going to slap you. So, we woke up, thunderstorm watch.
Sisterhood.
We were like, oh, we were ready for this. But we totally weren't. Because then it became a thunderstorm warning. We're like, oh, it's normal. So my dad and my sister went to the store. And
You're not going to say the store name, are you?
no, Cleveland had a tornado watch. Which I was like, because some of our friends live in Cleveland. And
One.
you don't know whoever's watching lives in Cleveland.
Oh! Why? Fraser.
Apparently, Fraser lives in Cleveland now. Hey, we live 3 hours away from you. I wish. Okay, so it's like a vlog setup. I've been expecting you. So we get back and we hear beep, and there was a tornado watch in Ohio. So we go to our grandma and grandpa's house because it was Sunday. I'm so excited. Like, this weekend's my birthday.
And art.
Yeah, we have art Wednesday. And so
I wish the coconut ice could come to your birthday.
I wish too, and Fraser.
Yeah, and everybody that you know. But they're bubbles.
Well, the Coconutties might be streaming on my birthday. It's like, ooh!
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 Hi, coconutties.
She put her hand in the camera. So, it's getting sunny. It's getting sunny!
Sunny!
They can't see your Barbies.
They saw a good piece of her butt.
No. So,
Good piece of her butt.
So we get over there, and the watch turns into a warning because of Lima. Lima gets a tornado touchdown. I was terrified. I wanted to go to the basement. I wanted to live there till the day was over.
Which would probably be that night.
So we wait a while. I draw a bit. I watch some Coconutties. I watch
You guys?
some Fraser. Well, you don't know if they're watching.
You never know. Well, they watch all of our videos.
No, they don't.
They watch.
They watched one. That's not all of them.
By the way, you guys, I have ringworm.
Whatever. So,
But you guys live too far away to know.
So, you made me forget what I was going to say. So, I draw for a bit. I watch Coconutties. I watch Fraser. And so, we hear beep, beep, beep on the TV, and a tornado has touched down in Decatur, which isn't far from where we live. And we are I was terrified to death. My brother was out with his girlfriend.
They're the thing. They're dating.
He has a girlfriend. He has a girlfriend. It's a girlfriend. My big brother!
She's sweating. I just licked her.
Technically, if they get married, would that be a stepsister? Sorry.
And if they have kids, I would.
And they were in Lima where the tornado touched down. Well, one touched down in Lima and then Decatur.
And my brother said that a Walmart
in Lima was destroyed. And then in St. Mary's, well, Salina, close to St. Mary's, we actually went into a Dollar General, and it was destroyed. It got collapsed. 8 people injured.
1 died.
Really?
Yeah.
No.
I think I imagine that one has to
And then
die.
Forklift place got destroyed. It is like the walls were all gone, just the inside was sitting there. It was really bad.
Her hair
But
tastes better
so
than this puppy.
later, it's before dinner, we get a thing where it's a tornado watch because the tornadoes were gone. And so we look, and we're not on the list. Not even for the rain, not even for the thunderstorm watcher warnings. We weren't there anymore, so I was like, oh. And then my brother Jaden gets home, and I was like, because his girlfriend lives somewhere.
I'm not telling you where.
Not telling you where.
Because I know
He
hunt
lives
her down.
a little bit away from us. And he drove through it all.
Even a tornado.
He drove through Lima. And it was horrible.
You guys just saw
So-
her hair. Guess what, Barbie?
I went home that night and I went to bed and I didn't wake up. I was exhausted last night, guys. I was just so tired of everything. So yeah, that's an update on
Wait,
the...
tell them about the tornado that was really close to us.
Huh?
That we had a tornado last night.
Yeah, I told them about that.
Yeah, we had a tornado last night.
Lou, I told them about that. Embarrassing.
Okay, guess what?
So,
Guess
I'm
what,
excited
Barbie?
for my birthday, and I will probably see you guys on my birthday. And I will see you guys later. Bye!
Bye!